Hey there, my name is Amethyst. I'm with WTI and I'm sharing with you guys my absolute favorite perfume. I have been wearing this every single day since I bought it. This is the Billie Eilish perfume. I absolutely love this packaging. It looks like an artwork and just this beautiful gold color, and the whole thing is just absolutely gorgeous. And it even gets better when you take off the lid. It has this beautiful frosted glass. So elegant, so glamorous. But of course, the star of the show, the perfume itself. To say that this smells good would be the understatement of the century. If you like sweet fragrances, but you're looking for something a little more mature, I highly recommend you check this one out. It has a super sweet vanilla as a base, and then as you smell it, you get kind of a florally orchid smell, and it just lasts so very long. And I will drown myself in this stuff because it just, I want to smell it all the time. It is super sweet, but it's also not like a girly feminine candy sweet. It is more of that deep, mellow, full-bodied sweetness, if that makes sense. I just absolutely love it. I recommend it to anyone who is looking for a deep vanilla scent. This is going to be your go-to. It has very quickly become mine, and that is my point of view.